I've been waiting for literally years to lower this thing, and whew, I've driven it once and it clunked so badly. Not good. The first strut is out. This is the passenger side camber plate. These pillow ball bushings allow for more flexibility under harsh driving conditions than the stock urethane top hats do. These also don't survive well in corrosive conditions like Minnesota, and you have to very, very regularly grease them, but these were obviously neglected. The rest of the struts are in pretty good shape, but these are just completely shot. The negative to losing the camber plate is I don't have the top camber adjustment anymore, but I'm going to have evenly worn tires again in the future. Now that I have coilovers, I don't need to rely on 2 negative degrees of camber to keep me planted on the road.
Hours later.
Alright, first real test drive. Here we go. I think this will be hopefully really good because I just replaced everything that was busted. Alright, so far so good. No clunks, absolutely nothing. I don't hear a single thing, which is amazing. I can't believe it. This is amazing! The Saab is low! To the wheels. Wow. Feels great. I'm gonna need to get those wheels on soon and cut the fenders soon. There's a lot to do soon. We have just arrived at the Saab. I don't know if you can see it back there. Here she is. It looks a lot worse than it is. The radiator core support's crunched in just a bit, and it's just run into the front of the motor. I'm not sure what's going on there. We finally got the radiator out. The fans are completely busted, broken all over the place, and the top is absolutely shattered. This is where the hose goes in, As you can see, it's not there anymore really. We got the radiator core support pulled out enough to get the radiator out, but timing cover cracked. Radiator hose got shoved up into the alternator, which snapped the belt down there. It's not quite broken somehow, or it's pinched and in between the case. Yeah, it looks like it is actually. And there was quite a bit of coolant in there. Sadly, a lot of it came out on the ground. I'm feeling pretty bad about that. Yeah, there's a piece of plastic stuck in the power steering pump there. Yeah, so it's kind of a mess, but it's actually kind of okay too. It really sucks though.
The next day.
Back at the parking lot in the city. I just popped the spare radiator and there is not quite enough space here. It's too close for comfort, so I'm gonna have to come back in here and pull the core support forward more. Timing cover shell over here is pretty toasted. I'm gonna try and get that out before I start it. Chase should be here soon to give me a hand, and I might task him with digging this thing out. So far, so good. Well, so far all right, if I'm being honest. All right, the new radiator is about to go in. I just made enough space for it, and it's already got fans with it and everything. Just got the hood off and in the van, and Chase has just arrived. Here we are at the Saab with Chase and Sarah. Hi guys.
It's here. It's looking great.
She's looking beautiful. She's full of the juice, the gabagoo. You can hear it. Now we have to go get a actual alternator belt, because as you can see, this is actually an AC belt, and over tightening it causes this to happen. So, yee-haw!
Boom, boom. All right.
This is the moment of truth. I haven't started it yet, guys.
Here we go.
There's no lights or nothing.
Nothing.
Okay, hold on.
All right. Well.
We gotta double check.
Well, I got a sad video of nothing
I think this might have slipped.
Oh yeah.
We might not have been charging.
Here we go.
Here we go. We have dash light.
Hey, good sign. Ooh, little more time maybe.
I think so.
I'm so impatient.
Might get some B-roll. I'm gonna start down here.
Yeah, please do. Alright.
Put some dubstep over this shot right here.
Alright, we are about to start this off. I know! I'm so excited.
Very excited.
Yep.
Okay, well, you know what? Why don't you do that? And I'm gonna hang out and you let me know what happens, okay?
Sounds good. Alright, bye.
All right, well, we can't let her down now. It's got to start.
I know. Oh man, oh man.
Oh man.
Oh boy.
It didn't take long. Yeah.
We did it! Yeah,
Sure. Look at her. Oh wait, what's that?
She's juicing something.
Something's smoking. So far.
Okay. I don't know what this is. Oh, I think it's just snow. I think there's just, yeah, that's why I can't smell it. It's idling steady. There's no new check engine lights on. I got the bumper in the back. And oh, I left the dome light on. That's why the battery died. I can't believe me.
That's why it's
I think it's just steam.
Did I hear you say it's because you left your light on?
That's why the battery was dead.
That's the only problem with the car is you left the light on.
Yeah, guys, I left the light on.
That's what happened. is
I
you
hate
left
when
the-
I leave my headlights on. This looks terrible, but I think it's good. We'll know soon enough.
Three hours later.
We just made it home. I kind of just test fit the bumper on there. It's it'll go back on, but it's gonna take something else because there's nothing left to hold it on. Didn't smell weird or anything. Drove in a straight line. Wow, can't wait to get this bumper back on, and then we'll go from there. The chrome's missing on this bezel, but that's fine. I'll just do a delete. Yeah, she's home.